Before analyzing the sperm sample on your SQS2 device, you will have to stain and load it in one counting chamber. This process will be done with the SQS test, a differential staining method that highlights the sperm cell plasma membrane's state. If spermatozoa membrane is alright, being the sperm cell alive, it turns out green. However, if its membrane is broken, resulting in one sperm cell dead, it is stained in red. Because of this staining method, the SQS2 can determine sperm's condition. Each kit contains 96 fluorochrome tubes and 25 counting chambers, with 4 counting individual areas per slide. Add 1 part of semen to 9 parts of extender and mix them to make a 1:9 dilution. Transfer 5 microliters of the diluted sperm sample to the fluorochrome tube and mix gently until its homogenization. The mixture should be colored in red. Load one area of the slide with the stained sample. Once your sample is stained, you can analyze it in the SQS2. To do that, you need to choose the type of analysis, introduce the requested data, and select the area in the counting chamber where the sample was loaded. Insert the slide in the device's tray when asked, and click the green checkmark button to initiate the sample analysis. After less than 1 minute, you can review the analysis results. Being able to navigate through the pictures taken by its integrated microscope, as well as checking out the analysis report. For additional results, you can connect your SQS2 with your SQS lab and generate semen dose production reports.